Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. This is Myra Amjad. Welcome to Century Press and Publishers. Dear students, how are you? Are you fine? Good. So students, you have revised all the alphabets. Let's move to something new. But you already know about vowels. आपको याद है ना क्या आपने vowels किए थे? What are vowels? Yes, vowels are the special letters, special 5 letters A, E, I, O, U, and the rest of the letters are consonants. Yes, vowels के अलावा बाकी तमाम letters को हम consonants कहते हैं. Okay, अब हम करते हैं sounds of vowel. What is the sound of A? It's A. Okay, A. And what is the sound of E? It's E, elephant. Okay, like A, apple, E, elephant. And what is the sound of I? It's E, igloo. Okay, and what is the sound of letter O? It's O, orange. And for letter U, it's umbrella. Okay, students, you have to revise all the sound of vowels. And what are the consonants? These are the other letters other than vowels. So these are the consonants like letter B, C, D, F, G, H, J, K, L, M, N, P, Q, R, S, T, V, W, X, Y and Z. These are consonants. Okay students, take good care of yourself. Keep learning. You have to revise all the sounds of vowels. We will come back with another video. Allah Hafiz.